Hi everyone. Today I am going to begin with the discussion of what are the different types of restriction endonucleases. So we know what is a restriction endonuclease. These are enzymes that cut DNA at specific sequences. So for their specificity they are called restriction endonucleases, as we have already learnt in the previous video. So these restriction enzymes basically have two properties. The first property is modification and the second property is cutting of the DNA. So how the restriction enzyme modifies the DNA? The modification is by methylating the DNA. So DNA is methylated at the point where the restriction enzymes act. So these restriction enzymes have two properties. One is modification of DNA and the second one is cutting. This modification is done at specific cytosine residues which are methylated. So methylation is a type of modification that is carried out by restriction endonucleases. So these restriction endonucleases, on the one hand they methylates the DNA, on the other hand it cuts the DNA at the site of their action. So based on these two properties, the restriction enzymes are classified in four different types. Four different categories of restriction endonucleases are present based on these two properties. These are the different types of restriction endonucleases that are present. All of the restriction enzymes have two functions. One is modification and the other one is cutting or cleavage of the DNA molecule. Based on the differences between these two properties, the classification is done. So these are the different types of restriction endonucleases that are present based on the two properties that I have just mentioned. So coming to the first, type 1 RE, the type 1 restriction endonuclease recognizes a sequence and modifies it. Modification is by methylation, as I have just said. So if this is a DNA strand, suppose this is the site of recognition. So what this restriction endonuclease will do is that it will recognize this sequence and will methylate it. So this sequence will be methylated. The endonuclease will recognize the sequence. After recognizing the sequence, the endonuclease will readily modify the sequence. But the cleavage reaction that occurs, the cleavage reaction occurs 1000 base pairs away. So the distance between the site of recognition and site of cleavage, suppose the cleavage occurs in this point. So the distance between the site of recognition and the site of cleavage is 1000 base pairs. So this is the property of type 1 restriction endonuclease. Now the type 2 endonuclease, the advantage with type 2 endonuclease, restriction endonuclease, is that both the recognition, methylation and site of cleavage are the same. Type 2 restriction endonucleases recognizes this sequence as well as cleaves this sequence only. Site of identification, site of modification as well as the site of cleavage of the type 2 restriction endonuclease is same. So here is an advantage of type 2 endonuclease, because as the recognition sequence is known, the site of cleavage can also be determined, because site of recognition as well as the site of cleavage is same. But the problem with this type 1 restriction endonuclease is that the site of recognition is known, but where it will cleave is not known. The sequence will not be known. So this is a problem with the type 1 restriction endonuclease. And similar problem occurs with the type 3 and type 2S, because in type 3, the distance between site of recognition and site of cleavage is 24 to 26 base pairs. So this distance, site of recognition and site of cleavage, this distance in case of type 3 restriction endonuclease is 24 to 26 base pairs, and this distance in case of type 2S is 20 base pairs. So among the four classes of restriction endonucleases, for these three restriction endonucleases, the site of recognition and site of cleavage are different. So it has some kind of problem with the use of these three restriction endonucleases, but this type 2 restriction endonuclease is advantageous because both the site of recognition as well as the site of cleavage is the same. So for this reason, generally type 2 restriction endonuclease is used in different methods of recombinant DNA technology.